Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. What you got planned for this one?
Well, for this one, a design that I have never seen anybody else do ever.
Oh. A spiral.
I just came up with this idea out of thin air.
That's a one-of-a-kind custom original there. That's okay.
It's a design that I came up with that nobody else does.
I see.
It's rainbow on the front and then black on the back, and then the black is supposed to bleed through and make it sort of like spider-like pattern.
That looks pretty cool.
We've never tried this.
Nope, definitely an original.
It's all black on the back side.
Let's see what we end up with.
And all rainbow on the front.
And rainbow on the front. That sounds pretty cool.
So.
You know, I've wanted to experiment with some one-sided dyes myself, so yeah, this will definitely be interesting and fun.
Always fun.
Yeah, you know, you come here for science. I mean, what else do you expect?
Classrooms across the United States are streaming our YouTube videos. Okay.
Experiments are here. To the dyeing rack.
Let's go. Tuck his little tails in.
Tuck in his tails. He's got a wide selection of color over there. Look at that. Oh yeah.
I already had my rainbows out. So.
Oh. Kicking it off with a hot pink. Good old hot pink.
And this is the small, so you don't.
That's gonna bother me. You have a floof hair.
It's in the rubber band. It was all in the rubber band.
Yeah. Sorry, people. Had to remove that floof hair. Deep orange.
And lemon yellow.
Lemon yellow. Lime pop. Turquoise. Lavender. That one has a splash of that, a splash of turquoise, and a splash of the deep orange. I got some white over here on this side. Just a pinch. And then run the turquoise all the way to the middle.
I don't want it to make it all muddy in the
Well, you know what I mean, just a small stripe, but yeah, there you go. A little further inwards. That looks wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay. A little more lime pop. So all told on this one, we're gonna have hot pink, deep orange, lemon yellow, lime pop, turquoise, lavender, and better black. Correct?
Yep, that's better black.
Better black.
Okay, and then on this back side.
Always be very sparing about how much you use. Like, get good coverage, but I wouldn't try to soak it in, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Because it will bleed. That you don't have to worry about. case scenario, we make the world's coolest one-sided tie-dye. You know what I mean? A perfect one-sided tie-dye. Well, we can't do that because the way it's folded, but still, you know what I mean, people. This is gonna look really cool. With the blacks, less is definitely more. You know, these colors like this, a little bit goes a long way. You would think you would need a lot for it to dye properly, but nope. Especially the darker ones, they're very effective. We still have Raven Black too, we hadn't even used yet.
And I'm just gonna go back and hit any outsides that I need to. I feel like you're getting a little too dark.
I see.
That's how you keep it from bleeding over the edges and make sure all your edges were nice and saturated. You know, when I came up with this design.
Custom Momo creation. We love the custom Babes' creations. Lavender to polish it off.
Okay, and then I'm gonna leave it black side up.
Sounds good to me.
Okay.
To the drying rack? Or drying rack? Sorry. To the drying rack?
I have a black spot. Why didn't you tell me?
Huh?
I have a little black spot.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Okay.
Got it.
Yeah.
To the drying rack?
To the drying rack.
Let's go. Middle shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty, folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.